My hands are dripping wet, but I have a landing page to build. How do I do it without actually touching my keyboard? The answer is I have an AI voice assistant that does all of this for me. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So I've been here in Bali for like a few weeks now, and I realized that most of my best ideas don't actually come from sitting in front of the desk. It comes when I'm on the beach, when I'm swimming, and when I'm just enjoying life every single day. While strolling the beach, I realized that I had an awesome idea, right? I have a new landing page I want to build, a new product or service that I can offer the people here, but I have installed a new tool that allows me to type on my Claude Code and structure the prompts much better than I could originally have. The tool is called Typeless. It's basically a simple AI keyboard assistant that works on Windows, on Mac, on Android, on iOS. It's super simple to set up and it transcribes whatever you say into direct actionable steps. It makes the prompt more structured and it reduces the amount of context that I actually require to prompt Claude Code. Now, with all of this setup, I've actually installed a custom script that allows me to get notifications whenever Claude Code is finished running and to read out everything it has on screen out loud so that I can actually hear and understand what it says. So let's try it out and build our first landing page. I want you to build a landing page for a jet ski sharing app. I want everyone in Bali to use the app to book the jet skis for recreational purposes. I want you to open the website with a simple landing page or waves in the background, beautiful beaches. I want an interactive maps using Google Maps, and I want to show every jet ski available in the area. I want it to be super sleek, super minimal. I want a dashboard for the jet ski agency owners and also business managers to upload the jet ski rental services, how much they charge, the picture of the jet skis, what brand they're in, all into the system. I wanted to be working on React on the front end, Superbase on the back end. I wanted to use Stripe as the main payment processor. I want them to be able to upload their WhatsApp numbers so people can reach out to them. Even though it's actually never mind. Let's forget the WhatsApp part. I want you to have a light background theme. Ask me if you have any questions via chat in a structured number format so I can answer you with any questions that you might have. Let's have a look. Okay, I guess Claude is already thinking. On the left side is the words generated by dictation, and on the right side is the words that Typeless understood. Now, through a quick glance, you can directly understand that Typeless converts whatever I say into what I mean. It results in a structured output format using points and alphabets. Apart from that, Typeless actually consumes lesser words than my original dictation. It uses 147 words compared to my original dictation of 211 words. There's 30% lesser input tokens used. It also means that the Claude Code hallucinates less because it's able to understand exactly what I mean. Typeless actually removed a few of the filler words I have used, such as the ones highlighted in yellow. Apart from that, the biggest difference is that I actually wanted to implement a feature but changed my mind halfway. I removed the whole section of WhatsApp, and Typeless immediately understood. This prevented an overdevelopment feature.
Great project idea. Before I start building, I have some clarifying questions to make sure I get this right. 1. App name and branding. What is the name of the app? Do you have a logo, color palette, or font preferences? Or should I design a visual identity from scratch? 2. Authentication.
For the technology, I want to use a simple React. For backend, I want to use something like Superbase with maybe Node.js structure. I think that okay. For the maps, I already have an API available. I don't think so we need a live chatting feature. Just share like the WhatsApp number so people can contact. Go. So for the feedback prompt towards Claude, I noticed that I actually mumbled a few times and said the wrong technology structure. For example, I said I would use Next.js as a backend. Now that does not make any sense, and Typeless got that very early. This prevented another feedback loop from Claude to confirm whether I meant Next.js or Node.js, which is logical for a backend development. So Typeless have saved the day again. While Claude Code builds the whole thing, we can just enjoy the view of like a bunch of peacocks behind us.
Meanwhile,
Hello there.
Do you know Claude Code? Do you want to code on my laptop? Okay. Um, Let's building a jet ski website, sir. No. Bro, why are you attacking me? What did I do? After being attacked by the peacock, I got myself a nice haircut, and now we're going to see what the results of Claude Code are. We see a nice looking website. I really like the hero section. I like the nav bar, even though it does not really point to any other pages except the sections below. I like everything about the site. I really like the map of Bali below. I like how we can see how many jet skis are available in each section, because this is what every tourist wants to see: which area they're located in and how many jet skis are available there and what categories do they come under. Okay, we can see a huge product catalog of all jet skis available, which year they were created in, and how much it costs to rent them per hour. I think this is a super useful feature because it provides complete transparency. And here we can compare the price of jet ski around the full of Bali. I really like the CTA action below. I like how the WhatsApp number stands out, making it super simple for anyone to just click and go to the PIC in charge. What I like most about Typeless is that it makes it super simple for us to take this landing page and send an email to potential clients, other jet ski owners in Bali. So here I found a jet ski owner, and I'm just going to tell it simple instructions. Please write an email to this jet ski owner saying that we have built a whole website and a service around jet skis. We are jet ski enthusiasts. We ride the waves all the time. We want tourists to be able to find the best jet skis around them at affordable prices. That's why we built this whole website. If you would like to get on board with our program, please go ahead and give us your WhatsApp number so we can schedule a meeting offline. I would love to onboard you into our agency and make it easy for other people to find your jet skis in Bali. The product is free. We charge nothing. We only charge a simple transaction fee if there's any customers that comes through our landing page. Okay, just like that. Super simple. And I think now we are ready to send the email. Now we just have to repeat that same step for multiple different jet ski owners, and we have ourselves a complete business. I think the best part about Typeless is how we can whisper and it still understands us. For example, PS, this is a free program and would love to have you on board as a partner or investor. You see how simple it was for Typeless to actually understand even when I whisper? That's why I really like it. The video is sponsored by Typeless. It's available on Windows, on Mac, on Android, and on iOS. If you click the link in the description below, you will get $5 of credit for free. I actually use it across all my videos, and if you watch other tutorials, it's now my default mode of communicating with my laptop. I really enjoy using this tool on a daily basis and would recommend it to anyone who's interested to converting your voice into something that the computer understands. I really want you to try it, so comment below using your Typeless voice, and I want to see what it prints out.